Hi, this is Sasha from the autismhelper.com, and this is a product preview of my interactive reading workbook, Level 1. So each of these three reading workbooks is individualized to a different level child. This Level 1 is the most basic, so it's going to focus mostly on matching and sorting, but still on these language art skills, which are sometimes really difficult to target for these low-level learners. This is actually really my favorite of the three binders and the one that I get the most use out of. I have a hard time getting work for this level student that isn't just matching and isn't the same old, same old. Also, some of my students who are at this level are really speedy workers. They can fly through matching file folders, and I'm really run out of things to keep them busy and to keep them engaged in a meaningful way. Well, this task takes a lot longer. They have to attend, they have to focus, they can't just easy breezy throw stuff on. So I really appreciate that this one can keep them engaged for a longer time period. So like I said, you can set this up in one binder, or you can create different file folders with this. You can make individual tasks for task boxes. It's really up to you on how you want to utilize this resource, which I think is really nice. So I'll give you a brief rundown of the activities included. So first up is basic, just matching letters, which is a great initial place to start with some of your low-level learners on working on foundational skills. If your students aren't quite ready for this, adding that color coding is really key because they'll be able to better identify and match these letters using the color coding cue. Next up are different sorting letter activities. I love these letter activities. Again, my kids have to attend. There's a lot of pieces, so it takes a little bit more time, and it's working on that generalization. A letter A isn't always written like this. A B isn't always perfectly like this. So they're seeing different types of letters and generalizing the skill of matching these letters. So they will match all of the different letter A's, B's, C's, and D's and sort the letters accordingly. So it's working on sorting, it's working on letters, it's working on generalization. So I really love this. And there's a few different versions. So here's the first set, next one, next, next, and last. So I really love these. It takes a long time, and it's really working on a wide range of skills. Next, we have a dry erase marker activity of tracing the letters, tracing the lowercase letters. Next, matching uppercase to lowercase, which is a great skill for kids to work on and can be a little bit tricky. Another dry erase marker activity, writing the words, so copying the words but still giving that visual cue of what shape to make the letter. Matching letters within words. These are two of my favorite activities coming up. So I've been really into using anchor charts, having our kids reference something. Not all our kids might know the sight words for the colors. They might not know that RED means red, but they can reference this and still utilize their matching skills to identify that this word matches this word and this color matches this color. So it's a more complex type of matching, which I think is really cool and pushing our kids cognitively to engage in a higher level task. So here's with colors and with numbers, the same thing, referencing these little mini anchor charts to match the number words. And that's it. So again, this was the Level 1 Interactive Reading Workbook. Great for an independent center, great for homework, great for a station run by a paraprofessional. I really love it for those extra times in between centers when you're not quite ready to transition, but you also don't have anything left for them to do or your activity's finished. So for me, it's really great for that. Again, this was a product preview of my interactive reading workbook, Level 1, by theautismhelper.com.